Hello student, in your big data, next topic is search data. What is search data? Search data is, it means it is a search engine. Is content during the searching the episodes or searching the information or searching the content or data. That one we can call it as a searching data. In your searching data, we can use some search engines including Google, Bing, Yahoo, Ask. Then some search engines we can use to we can collect the information. What is search engine? Search data, it is a investigate the particular instruction among the web search. That one we can call it as a web search data. Next topic is search data. Search data, it means we can investigate the particular instruction or interaction among the web search. Particular interactions among web searches. We can call it as a search data. Search data, it means a search engine. The resulting analysis and aggregate the search engine. It is statistically, it can be used the search engine market or search engine optimization. We can use to search the data. In your search engine, we can use the two types. First one is the search engine marketing and search engine optimization. In your search analytics, we can analyze the information or analyze the data. We can analyze analytic to use the search data. We can we can give a instruction among with the web search. It means we can give a information to the search engine. It content during the search episode, it resulting analysis, and we can aggregation of search engine statistic. It can be used the search engine marketing. Search engine optimization, it is the word or the search we can help the website owner. We can understand, improve the performance. We can give a East West College. We can give the information to the search engine, means it shows every information. It have some courses and it about the institution. It will be shows everything. That is the search engine will be do. The search analytics, it include the search volume. It mean be trade analysis or reverse search engine. Entering the website, we can give a keyword means we can give a east west. It means it shows the keyword will be monitoring what are the information we can there or we can got. It will be everything will be shows to me or shows to us. The website, it is a comparison efficiently marketing statistics. Then multivariety of we can testing will be there. We can give them each west, means it will be shows the so many website of east west. Everything it will be shows. Which one we want, that one we can select to show the information or we can see the information. That one we can call it as a search data. In your search data, we can have a 4 types. First one is a data collection. Second one is accuracy. Third one is market conditions. And fourth one is calculation. Data. Next, first one is the data collection. What is data collection? We can go to search engine or we can search the data. First we can go for we can give the information. What are the information we can give? I will select the east west. I will give the information to the search engine, means it will be analyzed. what are the information they will want. Then it will be survey the information. Then it will be collect the several ways, and search engine provide to access their own data with the services such as Google Analytics or Google Trend and Google Insight. It will be third party service must be collect the data, or internet service protocols we can use to collect the information, or phoning home software and scrapping, and search engine is getting the traffic statistics we can use. Additionally we can use the search analytics. It's in such a result, or especially we can within a, we can see it in a information in middle of the information. It will be we can got some special advertisement also we can got. It will be differing the depending on to where you are searching from the data or data collection method. Have to account for the geographic, everything we can see it in a data collection. In your data collection we can sometimes we can search the location also. Sometimes we can collect the keyword monitoring, and we can reverse search to the several location need to scrap the some keyword. That one we can call it as the data collection. Then accuracy means we can what are the analytical we can use to search the information. That one we can accuracy depending on the services being used the data collection or method, and data freshness and Google services we can use. In your internet service protocol we can use the log. It means we can use the phone method we can use means when we can looking at the sometimes it will be paid and we can search the information, otherwise we can non-paid and search the information. Both are we can got in a Google. Then in your geographical location and history we can search from the particular computer. It means that the scrapping advertisement it will be some hit or misinformation we can guided. That one is the second one, accuracy. Market conditions means we taking looking for the Google sites means is particularly services. It shows the compare to search with the it will be search internet. We can search engine, we can go to the search engine and we can search something means some example search engine it will include the Google, Bing, Yahoo, Ask. We can that search engine we can use to search the information. Search team is how make a great query, and search engine it usually it is a keyword. It focus on the key terms. We can we didn't give any full information, we didn't give you any we can give us some keywords to the search engine. It will be search the full particular information will be given. Example, I will search in what is search data. It means I will search means it will be shows the full information on this Google. In the more specific search terms, it more effective result. It will be find the word and unique search terms. Maybe 3-year-old cow will be. It will be do something. Everything it will be shows in a Google. Then what is the search queries also we can search in the nowadays we can use the advanced search, boolean search, every search engine also we can do use. Then calculation means we can calculation the information. Sometime we can go to Google and we can give a 2 + 4 any Google calculation method also we can use to find the information. It means advanced searching, boolean search. It means we can use the and, or, not. This boolean search information we can see it in a calculation. In your big data, next topic is survey data. What is survey data? You know already. What is survey? Survey means we can collect the information or we can find the information. That one we can call it as a survey. Survey data is defined the result in the data or collecting from the sample of respondent or looking the survey information. That one we can call it as a survey data. What is survey data? Survey data is defined as the resultant data. The resultant data that is collected from a sample of respondents that took a survey in a system. That one we can call it as a survey data. In our various mediums are we can use to collect the feedback and opinion from the desired samples and the individuals. While we can conducting the survey, it will be searching the performer or multiple services to gather the data, and such as online services. Sometimes survey we can do online, telephonic survey and face-to-face survey we can do it in a survey data. The medium of collecting the survey data, we can decide the sample of people that are you to reach out, or we can requesting the number of survey, we can respond to the information. That one we can call it as a survey data. In your survey data, we can use the some methods and the example we can use. In what are the method we can use means, we can collect the survey data. It have to involve with the changing the technology. It means face to face survey we can do sometimes telephonic survey we can do, or email surveys. This survey data we can collection has changed the time. This survey we can respond to rate from the each this data collection method. It will be different from the reach or impact always be different. In types of survey data, it means we can use the online survey, then face-to-face survey, telephonic survey we can use. What types of survey we can use means online survey, online surveys, face-to-face, and the telephone survey. What is online survey? Online survey are the most cost effective. It can be reached a maximum number of people. It will be compression to the another mediums. It perform this survey is much more it will be then other data collection method. It a situation where there more than one question need to be asked the target. Its sample we can certain reaches the perfect conducting the online survey. It over the traditional face-to-face or the telephonic survey we can use. In our online survey, it will be affect their require or computational logic or branching technology we can use to accounting the surveys and the data collection, and traditional survey or minimum time or implementation we can use to search the data. That one we can call it as an online survey. It means we can go for the Google and we can directly we can questions or what are the points or stars will be they will given, everything we can check it in a online survey. In your face-to-face means we can reach the people and we can ask the directly. It means face-to-face we can ask the information, or we can gaining the information from the respondent via face-to-face means we medium such more effective than other medium, because of the respondent usually tend the trust or survey on the provide the honest and clear feedback they will give on. That one we can call it as a face to face survey. Telephonic means we can survey, we can require much investment in your it's depending on the requirement. We can telephonic survey, it cost as much little more than the online survey. It will be containing the response via telephonic medium, require less effort and the manpower. This survey, it will be located the same place or the cross check there the question and so the error free questions. That one we can call it as a telephonic survey. Thank you.